Did we finish fueling?
Do you see the hose in the plane?
No.
Well, then I guess we're finished.
Thanks, George. You want to say that one more time without the sarcasm?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain, Glenn Quagmire. We're looking at about a 4.5-hour flight time today. We got clear skies, good visibility. The temperature in Atlanta is 64 degrees. The flight's going to be a little longer than we've expected. We've got some very strong headwinds, giggity. Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff. What the hell? Oh my God, we're going down!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Secure your own mask first and then assist the child.
But the bag's not inflating!
It's all right. Even though oxygen is flowing, the bag may not inflate.